A day in my life.
Welcome to our vlog. We are here at Dalote. At the Bukid rather. We are doing our kasabsab and palalim. You know what is that mean? Ang bobo mo! Look at that. So beautiful. Wow. Madali na po kami guys sa aming paroroonan.